If you're looking to eat healthier, save time in the kitchen, and still enjoy crispy, delicious meals, an air fryer is a game changer. With technology improving every year, 2025 has brought us some of the most efficient, smart, and versatile air fryers yet. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. The Ninja Max XL remains the go-to air fryer for most homes in 2025. With a 5.5 core capacity, it hits the sweet spot between size and power. It features Max Crisp technology, reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal for ultra-crispy fries, wings, and even roasted veggies. Experience. Users love the simplicity. Just set the temperature, toss in your food, and let it go. The nonstick basket is incredibly easy to clean, and it preheats fast. In testing, chicken wings came out crisp and juicy in just under 20 minutes. Frozen fries? Golden and perfect. No oil splatter, no mess. Why you should buy it? If you want a reliable, powerful, and easy-to-use air fryer, the Ninja Max XL is your best bet. It's ideal for couples or small families who want fast meals without sacrificing texture or flavor. Number 2. Instant Vortex plus ClearCook. Overview. From the makers of Instant Pot, this air fryer features ClearCook windows so you can see your food cook without opening the basket. It's equipped with Even Crisp technology and offers 6-in-1 functionality: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Experience. The smart touchscreen is intuitive and the cooking presets actually work, unlike some gimmicky models. The see-through window with interior lighting is surprisingly helpful. It makes monitoring food super easy. In practice, it's great for those who hate guessing when their food is ready. Why you should buy it? Perfect if you like tech in your kitchen and want smart features plus excellent cooking quality. Great for meal preppers or families who want precision without constantly checking. Number 3. Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. Cosori's 2025 model introduces TurboBlaze technology, making it up to 46% faster than traditional air fryers. It has a 6-quart capacity, 9 cooking functions, and a slim, modern design that fits well on any countertop. Experience. Speed is the name of the game here. Breakfast sausage links done in 7 minutes. Yes. It's whisper quiet too. The interface is simple and user-friendly, and you'll love how even the cook is, even with frozen foods.
Why you should buy it?
You're always in a rush, but still want great food? This is the fastest and most efficient air fryer you can get in 2025. Ideal for busy professionals or parents juggling dinner time chaos. Number 4. Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 8-quart 2-basket air fryer. This is the king of multitasking. 2 independent baskets let you cook 2 different foods at once, with different temps and times. Ninja's Smart Finish feature syncs everything to finish at the same time. Genius. Experience. Game changer for family dinners. You can cook salmon on one side and Brussels sprouts on the other, and both are done together. The baskets are huge, and the crisping is just as good as single basket fryers. It's also easy to clean and doesn't feel overly bulky despite its size. Why you should buy it? Perfect for larger families or anyone who wants dinner done in one go. No juggling cooking batches. The dual zone freedom is seriously useful. Number 5. Instant 10-quart air fryer. This one's a beast. With a 10-quart capacity and rotisserie spit, it's more than just an air fryer. It's practically a countertop oven. It has 7 cooking functions and double-layer cooking trays for maximum space. Experience. It takes up more space, yes, but it earns it. You can make a whole chicken in it, and it comes out tender and crispy. Great for big families or those who host often. The trays can be tricky to clean at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's smooth sailing. Why you should buy it? Have a big family or love to batch cook? This is the best large-capacity air fryer of 2025. It's a mini oven with serious cooking power.